Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log in to your TikTok account easily and quickly. Whether you've just reinstalled the application or are switching devices, this guide will help you get back to your account in just a few simple steps. First of all, open up your TikTok app on your smartphone. From the home page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, click on the login button. You will then be able to choose your login method. You can select your login method from phone, email, username, Facebook, Apple, Google, etc. Make sure to select the same login method that you previously used. I'm going to choose phone, email, or username option. Now on the next page, go ahead and select your country code and type down your phone number. Once done, click on Continue. If you want to enter username and email, you can also select the email/username button at the top right and enter your email address or username for your TikTok account and click Continue. On the next page, you'll need to enter a 6-digit code that has been sent to you via email or SMS. Go ahead and type it down once you receive it. Soon after you do that, you will be able to log into your TikTok account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.